What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. By popular demand, by nobody, we're gonna be doing a video on the E46. Thomas's E46. Thomas is finally gonna be a low boy. So Maxpeedingrods reached out and wanted to help out with the channel and help out with one of the builds. So who better to get coilovers than Thomas on his E46, since I already had coilovers. We're gonna be installing the coilovers on Thomas's car today. So he's finally gonna be low, and we're excited. Thank you to Maxpeedingrods for supplying us with coilovers. They also hooked it up with a discount code. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out their website, maxpeedingrods.com, you can go ahead and use Joe at checkout for 15% off your order. So it'll help out, save you a little bit of money. So thank you Maxpeedingrods for helping out with the build, and yeah, let's get started with the install. Christmas Day for Thomas. It's his big day. Go ahead and open
tape
it.
ripping noises. Dude,
so,
a steering wheel coupler?
Oh my god. So we're gonna be installing this today. Have you ever installed coilovers, Thomas?
No.
Leo, have you ever installed coilovers?
I took out some OEM struts and springs one time from my Camry.
Master Tech Leo.
Alright Leo, show us what gap we got.
Don't mind the sketches, I'm acting like I'm gonna
He's
go
got
run.
the Skechers.
I tell myself I'm gonna go run, but I just look like a dad.
What's the front gap? What's the front gap?
I could fist the damn car, I'm stuck.
So there you guys saw the wheel gap. That's gonna be the before, so obviously you guys have a comparison before and after. Thomas doesn't want it too low. He wants to be able to drive the car everywhere. He doesn't want to be stanced out or anything, so it's not gonna be anything too crazy. We'll be able to lower it like an inch and a half at most. So hopefully he likes that height. If not, we're gonna be adjusting it so that way he gets it to where he wants it. Here we have the old stock suspension, and then we have the coilover right here. So it's really simple to remove. There's one bolt in the bottom, then you have to disconnect your sway bar end link. Then you come at the top and take off the 3 nuts, and that is it. So you can go ahead and remove it. So we're gonna end up maxing out the camber plate so he has all the camber. Leo and I have been knocking this out. Thomas has been MIA, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out for him. We're gonna prank him with all the camber. Once he realizes that he has too much camber, then we'll just switch it back. Ended up measuring this coilover to the other one on the front side so we can match it. So all you have to do is loosen it with the spanner wrench at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and twist this and make sure that the lengths are the same on each side. This is the driver's side, and we have it maxed out over here on the camber plates. So you're gonna have to remove the hex bolts and go ahead and reposition them. They also do come with a 24-way adjustable damper setting, which is pretty cool. Everything is really customizable, which I like about this. The only thing you want to worry about is the notch in the bottom. Make sure you align it where it would seat on the original one. Other than that, it's literally just plug and play. There's nothing crazy to do, so let's go ahead and install this. To do the rear, we need to get access behind the carpeting on both sides. So we're going to be taking off the carpet, and then we'll be able to access all the bolts and stuff. All we have to do for the rear is take off the bolt that connects the strut onto the knuckle. Then we go on the top and remove the bolts, and then we can go ahead and remove this nut right here to take out the spring. And then we do the opposite to install, so it should be relatively easy. And we already have the carpet off at the top, so this should be quick. There we go. Oh. Master Tech Leo?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
We ended up finishing the rear. I didn't really show it. It was pretty simple, but it did take a while just because the bushings are kind of shot in the rear. Thomas is going to go ahead and lower it now, and we're going to see how low it really is. I want to see how Thomas reacts to this. I mean, that's not that bad. I thought that'd be a lot lower. We did pretty good. Okay, the back is a little low, but you know, nothing we can't fix. The front is 2 fingers, and the rear is like 1 finger. Oh, Thomas, go up. Thomas, go up. Why did you put... It's like perfectly in the middle. It didn't touch anything.
You have a rapid pump, just fucking use it properly.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Fucking Leo!
I never touched it. Didn't work on your car tonight.
I did work on my car. Oh.
And it's like a minor noise. It's probably just retightening something. It sounds like the top hat. How does it feel?
Feels fine. Feels good. Yeah, that's stiff.
That's stiff?
Yeah.
It feels good?
Yeah. We just gotta figure out what's making that noise in the back.
We probably just have to retighten everything in the right rear and then
just retorque everything.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple more, like 2 more clicks to the softer setting.
Yeah.
Sick brakes,
Jesus,
bro.
bro.
Somebody needs a brake job. I want to make them a little softer, but I mean there is a slight noise in the rear on the side that you tightened. You probably didn't tighten it enough, but I mean that's fine. I'm gonna retorque it in the garage right now, so we should be good.
Bro, you're joking. That is so low. Thomas,
What?
that's low, brother.
Let's go. Yeah, bro.
Damn. That's pretty stiff too. So we ended up fixing the problem that was in the back. Leo was the problem.
Always the problem.
So what we ended up doing is we tightened all the bolts at the top on the rear one. So we ended up tightening the 2 nuts and then we ended up tightening the nut that is in the middle. Thomas is gonna go ahead and test drive these for a bit. Next video, we'll let you guys know how they handle, how they feel after, you know, driving them for a bit. This is a different type of video because it's not a G35 video, obviously. Again, if you guys want 15% off of your order, go ahead and check out Maxpeedingrods website. Use Joe for 15% off your order. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.